Well, hello everybody. Thank you for watching my little video. Today, well, this is going to be a little bit embarrassing for me. I completely wrecked one of my good drill bits. So, it pays to have the right tools, and I just got in a rush on this. I thought it was, it was a simple little project, and I couldn't find a masonry bit the right size, so I used a normal bit and just destroyed it. So you can't take normal bits and drill into masonry. You might get one hole or two, like I did here. I got one hole in there, and eventually I got the second one in too, but the bit went in the trash. So that's a kind of a shame. I don't have a lot of those this particular size. Um, There, I'm just checking to see how deep it is by taking it out. You can put a little piece of tape on your drill bit. That's a good way to check for depth. Just put the tape around your bit, and then you'll know how far in you're going. So anyway, let's see. I'm putting in the little plastic friction fitting, and then I'm sure everybody's done this sort of thing. You put the little friction fitting in there, and then you put the screw in it, and that expands the piece of plastic, and then it grips into the into the brick. Here, man, look at me. I'm putting my whole weight into this drill, trying to get that hole in there, and it's not going. I tell you. So, don't do this. Don't do this at home, guys. Eventually, I did get by just continuing to turn the bit. Eventually, I got a hole in there, and just two holes, and I put the hose reel up on the wall, and just left it there. Went inside, got on Amazon and ordered some masonry bits. They're not very expensive. I just got in a rush, so don't get in a rush. That's the thing. So here we go. The unboxing. Couple days later, this package arrived. I mean, it wasn't that big of a wait. 2 days, and let's just get this open. And I had a few masonry bits, but I didn't have the right size, so I just ordered this little 5-pack. I don't remember how much it was, but it wasn't very expensive. Um, I mean, you can get these at any hardware store. Everybody sells masonry bits. And if you hadn't used these, the thing is, there's a little like an arrowhead sort of a feature at the end of these bits, and that's what allows it to drill into the masonry. You can see there I'm holding that packaging up there. That's that will drill or grind through the masonry really quick, and then well, I don't know what else to say. Use these kind of bits, or use that kind of bit. I don't know. But the right bit, it went right in, and just a few minutes, I had the bottom two sets in there. Now this next little thing, if you watch my assembly video, getting that little elbow piece turned the correct way is key to getting the hose reel to turn in a clockwise manner to wind the hose up. If you put it in backwards, then you'll be winding the hose up with a counterclockwise, which is kind of non-standard. Well, in my view, maybe Google that. But here we go. So it's all up there now. We've got a new hose on there, new hose reel, and those rubber. By the way, here's a tip: those rubber hoses are the ones to get. They last longer. They just feel a lot nicer in the hand. I know they cost a little bit more, but anyway, thank you for watching me destroy one of my tools, and don't do that yourself. Take care out there.